The International Particle Accelerator Facility, FAIR, is under construction in Darmstadt to decipher unsolved mysteries of our universe. The new CIS 100 ring accelerator has a circumference of 1.1 kilometers. It will accelerate particle beams to over 99% of the speed of light. The ability to provide ion beams of almost all chemical elements makes it unique in the world. Once the particles have reached their velocity, they are guided to experiments. For example, to the Large Detector, CBM. They collide with a wafer-thin target, and for a brief moment, conditions are created that otherwise only exist inside neutron stars. The SuperFRS, Superconducting Fragment Separator, is a next-generation isotope separator and key research instrument. Exotic nuclei are produced and then sorted by superconducting magnets. The aim is to filter out a type of especially interesting nuclei and continue experimenting with them. These exotic nuclei can be forwarded to the NuSTAR experiments. These experiments investigate with nuclear collisions how chemical elements are created in stars and stellar explosions. However, the focus is not only on basic research. With APA, scientists develop new methods to combat cancer and conduct research into space travel and materials science. They also study fundamental questions to understand the interior of planets and the forces inside the atoms. The PANDA experiment is another FAIR pillar. Its aim is to answer fundamental questions about the structure of matter in the universe by using antimatter to create tiny particles that have never been observed before. FAIR is the universe in the lab.